right, and welcome to Asake Online, and this is the Breakfast Club. My name is Sizwakele Ndlovu, and today we are in Nkulumane chatting to Stella Dumayi, who is a vendor, and we want to find out how her business has been pre and post-COVID lockdown and what the future holds. Stella, thank you so much for being part of the Breakfast Club.
Thank you.
So, Stella Dumayi ngubani? Udabuka ngaphi?
Okay. Mina ngikhulele khona lapha koBulawayo. Otherwise sibili emakhaya kuseMashingo. But ngikhulele lapha koBulawayo uthi ngeke wathi ukuthi ngisuke eMashingo. Ngafunda khona lapha koBulawayo. Ngibe lenhlanhla ngenda futhi lokho ngoBulawayo. Ngilabantwana abangu4. Yes. Ngilivenda, ngiyathengisa uchineyo, fruits, vegetables, ama drinks, ngiyapheka inkobe, ngipheka lamahewu, ngithengisa. Ngoba ngaba lenhlanhla ngiqamelane lenkambe yamapolisi. So yibe bona labe ngabe ngibanqwanele bona la. Thibe ngahlupheki ngesikhathi ze breakfast, eze lunch, ngithengisa ngikhona lapha.
Okay. So waqalisa nini i-business yakho?
Sokulesikhathi ngiqalise ngo-2006 ubaba echiya umsebenzi. Singabona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi ngime ngenyawo sibili. Ngiqalise ukuthengisa.
Okay.
Yes.
And ekuqaliseni kwakho, what challenges did you face?
Ngangisesaba one ukuthi kusemapoliseni. Le community njengomuntu wayehlezi kuhle uqaleni ukuthi iza ngibona njani akwaba i-challenge enkulu sibili yona leyo. Lokudinga imali yakhona leyo sibili ukuthi ngiqalise. It was a big challenge. Yes.
So before 2006 wawuhlezi endlini imbe wawusebenza wena?
Hayi ngangisebenza. Ngangisebenza sibili. Ngangithunga amadoyili. Yeah. Vele ngumuntu lana lokuhamba nje town ngisenza ama piece job ngangisenza kakhulu sibili. Ngumuntu nje wayesebenza kakhulu. Kwesinye isikhathi ngihambe ekhaya ngiyelima. Kwesinye isikhathi ngangilima kakhulu khona la njengoba libona nje izinto zinje. Ngangilima sibili ngithengisa. Vele into yokuthengisa le ngisukela ekhachana.
Okay. But then in 2006 you could decide to formalize uthi
sengwenza full time 2006.
How has been the business though ekuthengiseni kwakho from that time up until last year?
Kwakumnandi kuqaleni. Kwakumnandi ngoba wawuvukela sibili emarket uyehoda sibili kwazi ukuthi ngama2 again kumele ukuthi etown emarket uyehoda ukuthi kusase kuseni izinto zonke zibe in place. Kwakumnandi le mali yayibambeka ngaleso sikhathi. Though khona ukuthi usaliyabe khona likhwele liwe lithini but we could survive. It was good. Kwakumnandi ngaleso sikhathi. Then kwasokubuya udlame le COVID. Sawa ngoba it was sudden. Kube sudden sakuthatha ukuthi maybe kuzaphangisa ukuphela. Nanko kuloko kusobelela kuloko kuhamba umnyaka ba. Yonke imali lana sasisevile sayidla. Kathesi ukuthi uvuke lapha na sebesithi sesingakwanisa ukuthi siye hoda sivuke nzima ukuthi even now we are not yet stable. Siyazama sibili but we are not stable.
So ngesikhathi se-COVID sesaba lemaphepheni kuthiwa kuzaba loncedo luzaphiwa ama-vendors. Did you receive any such help?
Suza i-600 bond. That was that. Sasikhangelele sibili ukuthi kwangani bazasinika inyanga zonke nje zilandelana. Kwapho ngoba i-600 bond. Isihlweka lokuyahoda ngoba kwakuyisikhathi se-COVID again. Ukuthi uzuza i-cash ke naleyo. Yaba imali nje airtime emafonini. Ongeke wayithenga ngayo e-shop babesala. Kwaba i-challenge enkulu, it was bad.
Okay, so you were not really cushioned during that time?
We were not really cushioned.
Well, not even really cushioned.
We were not cushioned at all. We were not cushioned. Yeah. Akusisizanga lutho. Instead kwasinika izihlabo lokukhumbula zonke ukuthi izabuya. La kade sisilokhu sibamba amatshe sisithi izabuya.
So this was a once-off payment, like of 600.
It was just once off.
Okay. So is there any other support, say, before COVID that the government has given to like vendors, traders, like SMEs that you've been able to receive?
Nothing. Akula. Belokhu besithembisa. Siza linceda. Besikhuthaza ukuthi sisebenze besithi bazasinceda. Akula lutho lukhona.
Undoda zibonele.
Undoda zibonele.
Okay. So kade sesivulile and lockdown has been relaxed. Lisakhuluma ukuthi it's difficult to get back to the condition we would trade our business normally. So what would you say is the solution? To get back to trading properly again?
Hey, kunzima kakhulu. One, aluba kade bengasinika okuyicushion lokhana ababesithembise khona. Umuntu ayehoda astokhe izinto zakhe. Elindele ukuthi maybe kungabuya futhi iCovid. Ithole umuntu elezinto ezikwanile estokile akuthengisayo. I think it's the best.
So if you had to have a situation of something like maybe a revolving fund, you would take it up?
Yes. Kakhulu iyanceda ngoba iza kunika ukuthi usebenze ngamandla ukwazi ukuthi kumele ukuthi iye komunye. Ayiso yakho wedwa. Le ngibona ngathi it's a good idea nxa kungenzakala. Yes.
Do you have any associations or anything that could actually help set up things like that? Ngoba sisibona ukuthi maybe government might not be able to assist. Are there any associations, or would you like associations to step up and do more? Okay. Community based, okay, labantu abangu-10 lapha asiboneni izimali zethu sincedisane. Do you think there's a solution where government kungala wire then we have a problem?
The solution is there. If abantu ku community bengavuma maybe a group of 10 or less people are committed, they can be helped. But so far I've tried ukuthi ke buthanisa abanye abathengisa lapho uthi kathi lenzani, how can we help each other? Ngibona ukuthi abanye bathengisa amabhele, abanye bathengisa amatamatisi njengami, this and this. Uze umuntu esithi we are willing but asila mali, singakunika, which means asayivoda. Abantu bakhona but they have no money.
But it's literally very hand to mouth.
It's very true, it's hand to mouth.
Okay. So do you have any advice for mankazana abantwana nje who might be looking at maybe they've left school and they're looking at starting a business, vending, trading? What advice would you give them? Njoba imisebenzi ayikho.
Yeah. Ngiyangibone kungakabi le hinqa yabo lockdown le. Kwakusiba lama organizations ayebiza abantwana abasakhula amankazana befundiswa ukwenza ama detergents, ukuthunga ama pads. Yes, befundisa nje ngxenye kumbe ukuthi izimali lezi zigcinwa njani, things like that. Nxa kungavuselelwa kungatholakala sibili kumbe iorganization engenza njalo sibili abantwana abangamankazana, kungabanqanda sibili ezintweni eziningi, kungaba lusizo lukhulu. Ngoba honestly umntwana oyinkazana engaba spoiled selahleke totally. Bengagrunywa nje any other business, whether it's detergents or khonoko kweluka kwabinwele nje, I think bengaphumelele.
So we need more mentorship, like grooming and guidance.
We really need more of that. Yes.
So kindly ngadi yakho nje, and can you busy civilly?
Kakhulu.
How long did it take you to set up and get to this point of nansi izihlahla zezithelo, nansi imbhida, ankoloni?
Yeah. Into yonke isuka if you are committed, if you really want something good out of your hands. It really took a long time. Ungabona this side, it used to be a nice garden, vegetables like onions, tomatoes, what ngakhalala sembona ukuthi kwaba playground enkulu. Then ngakubona futhi ukuthi emarket akulampita, abantu abalampita, back to square one. Now I'm digging. It really took a long time, but all in all, a commitment uthando lokwenza imisebenzi yakho iyaphumelela.
So khanya sewuthi umama ungahlaliliza.
Hayi okunye ngokunye ngiyazama mntanami, ngiyazama sure truly hayi ngiyazama.
So just to wrap up a conversation here, do you have any last words for our viewers, local government ngokwayo, and all our viewers watching you?
Yeah, mina ngikhalela sibili i-government. I recognize umuntu ongumama, umntwana oyinkazana. Ikakhulu umntwana oyinkazana. Abafana bale nhlanhla bayakwanisa ukuzimela. Yes. Umuntu ongumama one engaba ngumfelakazi evele engelalutho alwenza empilweni yakhe. Umama lana she's totally ruined. Gala plan. Yes. Umama ngabafunda ukuhlala besenza nje into ezincane nje zibanika i10 cents njenga these days khaleli 1 rand. Uzavuka le mali. Umntwana oyinkazana la. Sure. Yeah, umntwana oyinkazana kumele ukuthi agroom isibili. Kabafunde lobo kufuya inkukhu. Yeah, kabafuya inkukhu imivundla yena le kule market. Bengahamba bebuza. Anti these days abantwana bonke bakuma cellphone, which means the social media can help them. Nxa ngithengisa umvundla uzabona omunye umuntu osuka khatshana ethi ngiyawufuna umvundla. All in all, mina ngilesifiso sokubona abantwana bethu bethanda isikolo. Nxa isikolo sikwehlule, thanda imisebenzi yezandla. Xa ungumfana lawe hambe enza icarpentry yona leyana, hambe elungisa amagetsi. Uzabona ukuthi impilo yakho izakuba lula.
Yeah, ngoba imisebenzi yezandla
yiyo. Amen, you can say that. Mntanami, yazi angifuni ukubambelela isikhathi mina ngaqala ngokupheka futhi amahewu. Awekhaya. Ihewu lekhaya. Lingiphakamisile ngithenge i-photocopy machine sakusoma. Khathesi I'm happy abantu bayabuya bezofotocopy ngamahewu.
How? So, plus that photocopying.
Amen. I am very proud of that. Even ilo baba konke kumnandi. Yes, you will be surprised vele emsebenzini. There is liver, there is chicken, yena andamali. Which means life will still go on. Yes.
So you're a proper success story ukuthi uqalise lapha usufike bangeni leli, and then you're actually diversifying futhi. You're saying photocopying abantu bale problem with that, and you saw a need and you identified it.
Ngizangithaba mntana ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Maybe abantwana abangamankazana lapha amapholisa bayisibonelo bayabuya bethi mama please how do you do this? Ngithi mntana from your hands yenza lawe. Ngithi I'm willing to teach you ukwenza ivaseline. I'm willing ukuthi ngikufundise wena uzenzele i-platform. Thengisa khona phe office abaningi sebekhatshana ngakho.
Okay.
Yes.
Because you're also mentoring, you're giving back.
Very much.
You know, ngiyamangala because sometimes umuntu angaba lesiphiwo, a talent or a skill, ufuna ukubamba eduze, sesaba ukuthi ngingafundisa abanye then my business will shrink, or that whole thing ukuthi asithandi ukuthi si share certain things that will help us in life. So I find this very surprising.
Yeah. Ibula lobuyana mntanami. I don't want to lie. Nxa wazi ukupheka iCobra, fundisa omunye. Laye uza kuba lesibindi afundisa omunye. Kodwa akasoza akhohle lapha kufunda khona. Hamba ndembuzela kumama ngale shuwa umama ngiyamfundisa. Hayi. Ukuthi kuzakhula kukhula abantu bonke bazabuya bezothenga. Kungaba ngokwakho wedwa ungavuka ufile. I-community ayisoze kwazi ukuthi awusenza lokho. Suhambe lapho. Ungashare nje kumnandi.
That is a very different viewpoint. I would to be very free with information, because sometimes later on, but umakhelwane wami wayesazi lokho. U-anti wayesazi lokho. Information asiyishare. we keep it to ourselves.
It's bad. It's very bad. Tshela umuntu sibili ukuthi hamba ku okay lwana kulo Bengula Street kulapho zazuza lokho ayikho ukuthi uhambe etown. Etown inkulu phela. Ngitshele sibi hayi platform buya ngutshengise pheka sibili angikwazi ukuthi ngakhuluma nthini. Honestly ngenhliziyo yami yonke angikwazi ngakhuluma. Even e-church ama youth uyanini bantwana. Uyanini bantu abami. Bafundisa ukupheka wona lawa ama platform i-sunlight liquid hamba lethe ngisalisa ukuthi imali yama youth yena leyo kuye emhlane naleswele and for sure behambe kanti kumnandi. So I'm very proud nje ngemisebenzi engiyenza honestly. Abantu abami bayangisekela nxa ngisitsho abantu abami ngitsho amapholisa wona lawo bayangisekela every day I'm coming up and down. Mama, can we have this? Mama, can you have something to eat? Mama, kulesibotshwa lapha sisifuna ukufenda nti uyothatha inkomo hambe emnika. Mama, thank you so much. I share ngiyabanika. Yeah, that's it. But
but iBhayibheli lithi it's more blessed to give than to receive.
Kakhulu.
So ngiyambuze sesile Jackson le COVID-19.
Yes.
Ungathola ithuba lokuhlatshwa uzahamba ehlapha.
Kudala ngahamba ngahlatshwa mina. Ngahamba ngahlatshwa sibili ngathi angithi ngidlala lo community lapha. Ngekwazi phela ozivikelelo ngasivikelanga. So ukuthi la ngibe isibonelo labo nxa bebuya ngisithi umntwana yakho ehlela hamba lile ehlatshwa la mina ngahamba ngahlatshwa. Ngahlatshwa sibili ezidefu lapha. Duze le public library. Ngihle sibili alingigulisanga right.
Because all too often sizokuthiwa hey Jackson yasikwazi vele China and indaba zonke zona lezi ezabo social media labo WhatsApp gcina abantu abaningi besisaba.
Ngiyangithi kwabanye ungesabi kambe ukuthi bengaletha injection ukuthi umhlaba wonke uchabalale kuzasala bani awusoze kube njalo. So injection lani right asambe sehlatshwa.
Thank you so much for being a part of the Breakfast Club and siyabonga amazwi akho and all the good work that you're doing.
Thank you.
That was Stella Dumayi on the Breakfast Club, and I hope you enjoyed this edition of the show. Please remember to stay sanitized, mask up, and maintain social distance. My name is Sizwakele Ndlovu, and stay tuned for more programs.